There are a lot of website builders incorporating AI now, and you can build a professional website in seconds. I want to show you what they can do, which is easiest and which is best for your goals. I'll show lots of demo sites I made and also the site I built that I am actually using all of. These are free too. Test, and you don't need to know any code. We'll start with the easiest, then move upwards in their abilities. So first is Mixo. You start with a simple text prompt and it will generate a full landing page with copy images, a logo and brand name plus email collection. I am showing this running in real time for a lot of websites or businesses. A landing page may be all you ever need. This is also amazing for testing out new ideas. Say you have a course you want to sell or a product idea, a piece of software to develop. You can launch your site in a couple minutes, drive some traffic to it and see if it has something people actually want. You can see if there is product market fit before developing your product or service. It is 1 minute. If you want to make in your real blog or website, then you can go with hosting. I have also make website this Hostinger. If you really want to make a website, link is in description with discount code. If you want to see how to make website, comment down. I can make the step-by-step video. Something people want, then you'll have your full list of buyers as soon as you have it finished. This is always a good step to take before spending time, energy, and money building out a whole site or product or filming your whole course. Whatever it is you're trying to build, it generates great stuff on the first go most of the time. But this is all customizable, so you can go through and fine-tune it. If all you need is a landing page with email collection, Mixo is my pick. Another option in this realm is Uncoded. Personally, I wasn't a fan of the images it created. They were simple graphics that didn't look particularly professional in my opinion. It was also a few more steps to test out. Since you could only generate one website for free, then you have to delete that one to generate a new one, so I preferred Mixo between those two. I tested out generating a lot more sites here as an AI-powered travel planner. It did a great job at this one. Same for an online course about growing a YouTube channel. These are all with 0 edits, by the way. And here is a local tree removal business, and it is completely free to generate these sites. If you want to generate a custom domain, add video, or remove the Mixo branding, it's $9 per month. With a 20% discount if you pay annually. The next step up is Durable. It starts out the same. Say what type of a business you want, then the next step lets you enter your brand name, or it will generate multiple brand names for you to choose from. Then it will generate a solid site, and similarly to Mixo, it will use the same layout each time, but it is nice. It has this full hero image, and of course, all of this stuff is customizable. One really cool part is you can click regenerate on any section, and it will give you another version, or you can input the information yourself. It does a great job out of the box with services like wedding, photography, landscaping, massage therapy, things like that. But when I tried the Grow Your YouTube Channel business, the copy was great, but the images were kind of irrelevant. But all you have to do is click edit, then it has tons of great stock images to choose from. This is after just 1 or 2 minutes of changing the images and colors. This also has responsive design, so it looks great on mobile or a tablet. So far between Mixo and Durable, it's kind of just a preference on which style you like, but there is a lot of additional features that give Durable a leg up. First is you can add more pages from here, so instead of just a landing page, you can add additional pages for videos, testimonials, or a portfolio, so that is a really big selling point. And the back end is much more extensive. As well, they have a section where they use AI to help you create ads and marketing. There are CRM tools integrated for things like automated email response and review requests. There is professional invoicing, and you can even add a chat bot to your site. They also have this AI assistant that will help you create marketing strategies, social media posts, or navigate their features. There is a great analytics section too, so it is a pretty big step up from Mixo in terms of functionality and customizability. It is extremely fast to make edits and find good images. But all of this does come at a higher price tag. Comparing the starter plans, it goes from $9 per month up to $15 government. But again, there is a 20% discount if you pay annually. And a quick note with any of the web builder options I tried, they do tend to generate very good logos, but but you can use the free versions of sites like Logo Maker Looker or Canva to get a better logo. I have full detailed comparisons of all these tools broken down on my new site that I just created using the next tool, which is 10Web. So if you have a bigger vision and need a full site built out, in my case, I needed a blogging section where I can post articles. And I also wanted full ability to customize. 10Web is the best tool I've come across for this. You can start with this same format where you just enter the type of business, then they ask for a little more information. You can choose from a template instead of getting just the same layout each time. Then you give your company name, a brief description, and list your 3 main features for a website. And it does a great job here. As kind of just a preference for which you think does the best job at this part. But most importantly is 10Web actually generates a WordPress site that you can fully customize and add to. If you do know what WordPress is, 40 of all websites on the internet are built with it, and the 10Web builder is based off Elementor, which is a drag and drop page builder for WordPress, so you can build out anything from simple to complex websites without any coding knowledge. And they do have additional AI features built in. One of those is an AI assistant which can write and edit SEO optimized content right within your WordPress environment. It is like having ChatGPT with perfectly crafted prompts already built in, whether the S just rewording a sentence or helping with writer's block or writing all of your content. So the S really useful. The other awesome AI feature is you can clone any web page to recreate its layout. You just copy and paste the URL and it does the rest. Here I tested it out with Wirecutter and you can see it recreated it really well. So now I have the full layout and I can just go in and switch it out for my own content. And of course you can still move it all around and customize it to your liking, but that is a really easy way to save a ton of time on designing. So that was the really quick overview. I'll dive a little deeper on how this works if you are brand new to this stuff, so you can get the site started with the AI builder like I showed already. Then you can add any page by recreating or with templates, or you can build it from scratch. Then you can edit them with the 10Web builder, which is based on Elementor. It comes with some premium widgets that you would typically need Elementor Pro for, but they are included with 10Web. This is all drag and drop, but it does take some experimenting. So just to show you, on a fresh page you drag in an image. This will be our hero image that I just generated quickly with Midjourney. Then drag in a heading. Then you use these content style and advanced tabs to change the size, margins, colors, motion effects, tons of options. So these are all the options on the left for what you can drag in, and if you use the AI recreation, you'll be replacing the content instead of creating from scratch. It's pretty intuitive and you can get really far just messing around in here. So the 10Web builder makes it really easy to design. Then you also have the standard WordPress dashboard to build and edit from. I am not going to do a full tutorial on this because there are already hundreds or probably thousands of tutorials on WordPress. What I do recommend you do is exactly what I did: sign up for 10Web so you have all the AI features as free sign up. Then find a good WordPress tutorial that you can follow along and build a test site first to learn the ins and outs. This is the tutorial I use. There may be or probably are better ones out there. This is just the one I clicked on and it was really well done and taught me everything I needed to know. And you can get really far without doing this just by messing around. You can get a fully functioning great website, but you'll be able to get further and have so much more capability and confidence to add more functionality or change things if you just spend a couple hours on a free tutorial upfront. The difference between ordinary and extraordinary is a little extra. I had very little experience and I built this in an afternoon that included building a demo site along with that video, building my own site, plus writing and posting multiple articles. Being able to bust out a nice website quickly, an extremely valuable skill to have, and it is easier now than it ever has been before. So that is what I did to build this new website that I am going to use as a companion to my videos. Starting with this one, I have a post with all the testing I did, tables of the comparison, screenshots of the sites I built, the pros cons. There will be companion posts to most of my videos. In the future, I'll also be learning about affiliate marketing and making some posts with affiliate links in them. So I did build the site with that in mind as well, but I needed to do a full build. I thoroughly test out anything I talk about on this channel to make sure it's valuable, and I was very impressed with TanWeb. As far as pricing, TanWeb is the most expensive at $20 per month. But if you go with their annual option, you actually get a 50% discount, which makes it equal to $10 a month. So to summarize, if you only need a landing page with email collection, Mixo is my pick if you need more pages on your site, plus marketing tools, and AI assistant, customer management tools, analytics, all those other features, while still keeping it extremely simple and fast without a ton of customization. Then Durable is great if you want more functionality and full customizability. Then TanWeb is the best option I've found, with tons of AI features to make the building, designing, and content writing process quick and easy, even for complete beginners. But does take more effort to learn if you want to do a lot of customization, so there's links for every one of those down in the description. I hope this helps you build something awesome. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more related content. See you in the next video.